Let's speak about Gaxy, baby, aka a penny stock called Galaxy Net Generation that is trading at 2.8 cents a share. I included these in my best penny stocks videos to watch in 2021 video. Maybe it was last week or so. I think we were at about 19 cents a share or so then, so there's already been a little bit of a nice run up. The questions people always ask in regards to penny stocks is it too late to buy? Is it a pump and dump? Am I going to lose all my money? What should I do? So today I'm going to give you my thoughts on the company, the recent price action, and what I think about everything. But I always like to let you guys know when we're speaking about a penny stock, especially one that is literally 2.8 cents a share. It doesn't get much higher risk than this. On YouTube, you're always seeing people making loads of money. It's beautiful. We all love it. Boom, boom, boom. Everybody makes 10,000 a day. Understand sometimes things go wrong, and when you are playing with penny stocks, literally all of your capital is at risk. The biggest advice is just play with money that you can afford to lose. Have it be a relatively small part of your overall portfolio, and don't get too greedy, my friends, because they are fun. So right before we do get into the video, we speak about what they do, what happened the last quarter or so that's gotten people excited about them, and whether or not I think they're a buy. Can I please ask you, do hit that juicy like button, drop me a comment down below, let me know if you're involved in this company, and please, my friend, if you are new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button and join the family of investors. It's free. If you're interested in joining my private Discord group, that's the first link in the description, my friends. In there you get access to my private Discord group, you get access to my buy and sell alerts, you'll know if I buy or sell this company or any other stock we speak about. You get access to over 50 private channels. We have a penny stock channel in there, we have nearly 700 investors in there. It's an awesome community, and I'm doing a $1,000 cash giveaway soon. I've got a few free stocks on Webull. That's the second link in the description, my friends. Sign up, deposit $100. It's free money. Now, with that being said, this is the company right here, okay? They provide technology through the classroom of today for the generation of tomorrow. Some of their next generation brands: G2 interactive panels, mounts and accessories. So that includes integrated computers, which are coming soon, interactive panels, mounts and accessories, makes sense. They also have the Phoenix communicator, bells and intercom, alert desktop, Android app and an adjust amount. But potentially one of the most exciting things right now, given the current climate that the world is in, is this: the Cove Shield. The school year is right around the corner, and schools are working to find solutions to help maintain distance between their students. G2 presents the Cove Shield, and look, it's such a simple product, but it makes so much sense. It's a clear barrier that is easy to set up, easy to move and easy to clean. Now this is, in my personal opinion, the most interesting thing about this company right now, given the state the world is in. It's a trifold which is easy to carry and set up, and a la carte panels for more permanent solutions. It meets all CDC guidelines, no assembly required, it just folds up. Student finger protection design with pinch guard, very important if it's going in small schools, I suppose. Loads more things here, but this could genuinely be something massive for schools that is so simple. Now, I actually want to speak about their first quarter fiscal year 2021 results, which came out, the middle of November. I want to show you guys a few things, okay? They brought in a quarterly record of $2.8 million in revenue plus deferred revenue, and they have a backlog of $2 million. This company as of right now has a market cap of $64 million. Revenue increased 89% year over year quarter wise. Deferred revenue of $1.6 million. A product gross margin of 49%. A gross margin of 29% after freight and transit. And their total assets increased to $5.2 million. I want to show you some of these key business highlights for Q1. Look at everything they've done. Added production and manufacturing in Arizona to increase sales to OEM partners. Partnered with a Florida public school district, the 7th largest in the nation, to provide protective gear for schools. It is happening. They are selling these products. They're not just a concept. Awarded the contract of $172,000 from Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado for a new cloud-based intercom and paging solution. A new project just launched in Q1. So you may look at some of these products and think, who's going to buy them? We can clearly see that people are. Received commitment for up to $600,000 in the Cove Shield products from school district in Southern Texas. That's one school district. I think that backlog could go up absolutely massively relatively soon, my friends. Received a $1.5 million purchase order under its supply arrangement from an OEM customer, in addition to a previously provided order of approximately $0.9 million. We love to see that. And they expanded to Australia with the new distribution partnership with Technology Coring. I mean, quarter over quarter revenue was immense, okay? There's been some ups and downs, but ultimately year over year has gone up every single time very considerably. But they are of course still working at this net loss, just be aware of that. You're going to see that a lot with penny stocks. Management commentary. We're extremely proud of our start to fiscal year 21 as we continue to demonstrate impressive 89% growth of our income for our core technology interactive panels and related accessories, and introduced our new product line of Cove Shields. Again, I think these are going to be huge. Our fiscal year first quarter revenue, deferred included, of $2.8 million is more than all the revenue we generated in the previous fiscal year. That is some growth, my friends. Our deferred revenue and backlog continues to increase and remain strong. A good indicator of future revenue trends, and yes, it most certainly is. Our capital structure has improved with each passing quarter, and we have a goal over the next 12 months to uplist to a major US national exchange. They want to do that, they're going to have to be getting up towards that $1 a share mark. They believe this is just the beginning of a major technology turnover cycle. So I mean, very bullish article, and this company is doing very, very good things without a doubt in my mind. Now this article was from November 12th. What's happened since then? A lot. If you go over to their press releases, quite a lot. First one we'll speak about, which came a week later. They continue to convert their deferred revenue and backlog to revenue, and they shipped against purchase order from OEM customer, and they improved the balance sheet yet again. Since the end of that quarter, they already successfully converted a portion of deferred revenue and backlog into revenue. They shipped $500,000 from its previously announced purchase order for an OEM customer. December 8th, okay, they expand into California with initial Cove Shield purchase order from Keys Union School District. And then December 22nd, they were awarded another Cove Shield contract from a diocese in western Pennsylvania. I mean, guys, this is exciting. They're getting orders in. And then there is more than that, okay? The 24th of November, they partnered with Stanford Kind, okay? The 7th of December, launched the G2 adjust amount. The 9th of December, okay, partnered with Mid-States Audio and Video for entrance into South Dakota. And December 29th, most recently, they released G2 visual alerts on January 1st, which obviously has happened. Visual alerts allow for a message, both text and image, to be sent to any device in a school district's ecosystem. For example, the principal of a school can quickly log in, even from their mobile device, to G2's communicator software and choose either a preset alert or a custom alert to any zone in the ecosystem or the entire school building. They work with Android, Mac OS, Windows and Chrome, everyone. These guys are going in, my friends, and they don't seem to be showing any signs of wanting to slow down anytime soon. So onto the price, okay? Well, there's a little bit of hype coming around these guys now. You know, they're on a lot more people's radar. They have had quite a nice run up. I mean, last week they were up as much as 328%, despite closing the week up 166%, which did represent a pretty much 37% drop from the absolute tops. You go to the monthly chart, literally nothing. Nothing happened here until only a matter of a few days ago. The 6-month chart, you can see they're not really strangers to going up and down a little bit. I see potential. That's what I see. Now guys, I shouldn't have to stress this, but I mean, if a company is 2.8 cents a share, it is disgustingly risky. Whether you're talking about short term, swing trading it, day trading it, long term, I don't care what you're thinking of doing, it's risky. Would like to point out as well, it has a $64 million market cap and it's 2.8 cents a share. A huge float, my friends. But it does also have huge volume. I'm contemplating playing these guys, okay? I don't have a position as of recording this video. These are one of the penny stocks I'm looking at lately that I do think could be a nice in and out kind of play. I do see potential if some more hype gets around them for these guys to go up very, very quickly. But I also see potential for a very considerable pullback. Now I know that's me saying that it could go up or it could go down, but that is the fact of the matter. Nobody knows 100% certain. But I do love the news we're seeing. I do love the growth that I'm seeing. And I do think that they deserve to go up in value some. But anyway, my friends, that was my video on Gaxy. If you watched it all the way till the end, you, my friend, are a true legend. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. If I could please ask you to hit that like button, drop me a comment down below and subscribe if you're new around here, that would mean the world to me. And again, if you want to join that private Discord group, you'll find out if I did buy these guys or any other penny stocks that we're speaking about, or any other stocks that we're speaking about. You join a community of nearly 700 investors, you have the chance of winning the $1,000. It's a good place. But anyway guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you for another video very soon. Peace.